Richard, my brother-in-law, my sister husband here, and they're here to fix our faucet. We didn't have any water when we went to the Philippines. Yay! Thank you, Richard. Thank you so much. You're awesome. He put it up for us. Here, we have water. Now I can clean. OMG. I haven't done any cleaning because I've been using the bathroom, and it's kind of hard. And as you can see, it's totally a mess. And I just want to thank Richard and my sister Eden for coming over to make our life better again.
Check it out.
And it's all fixed. And look at that. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? Yes. Yes.
There you go.
Totally awesome. Oh my god. I gotta make him a cup of coffee now for a present. Thank you so much.
Gonna run some
Love
hot water
you
in
guys.
there, okay?
Love it. Thank you so much.
You bet.